Hello everyone, today we are here to show you around the beautiful airplanes for sale. First we have this wonderful black awesomeness. Don't deny me, it's the strongest one of all. Now follow me here. Follow. Here we have is another black awesomeness. It's called the Black 101 3000. Now, follow me to the supplies. First, let's go to supplies. Supplies. Here we have the supplies. The supplies are kept for, it's only materials for, weapons and stuff. So, let's go on with the planes. Careful with the camera. Alrighty. Here we have is the Cookie Stars 5000, and next is here. Man, this is okay. Man, this is so dirty. They need to clean it seriously. Follow me. The last airplane. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? It's only for soldiers. If you're a soldier, yeah. So this is the Navy VP 161,000. It's very rare, one of the rare airplanes. So thank you for watching, and we'll be seeing you soon. Bye!